Good students, today I am going to teach you about light. In light, some science words which are very important. You learn clearly about these words which are very important. Here, light means in the presence or in which presence the object can be seen. In the presence, in which presence object, any object can be seen. In which presence any object can be seen. Light means in which presence any object can be seen. Okay, students? Here, energy means work. Energy means work. Doing work is energy means I say work. Work means energy means work. Here, reflection. What is reflection? Reflection of light, or in this case, bouncing of light from a medium, that is called reflection. Here, reflection means bouncing of light from a medium, bouncing of light from a medium, that is called a reflection. Reflection means bouncing of light. After this, some words are as here, shadow. Now, shadow means shade. Shadow means shade or image. Shadow. Here, shadow or block path of light means shadow. Shadow means block path of light or shade. Here, mirror image means mirror shade. Mirror mirror set. Mirror image means mirror set. Okay, student. These are very important word meaning. Here, eclipse. What is eclipse? Eclipse means what is eclipse? Eclipse means ऐसे image. Eclipse means partial image. Here, partial eclipse means here partial loss of light. Partial loss of light. Eclipse means partial loss of light. Here, laser light. What is laser light? Laser light you almostly use as a toy. Laser light means and one beam of light. One beam of light, color light. One color beam of 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 light. So these words meanings are very important. You learn clearly and write in your notebook. Okay, students, next topic I will teach you tomorrow.